How to create an abstract flame design in Photoshop using custom shapes. The custom shapes I'm going to be using are from Graphicxtras. They're contour custom shape designs. You can find them on the website. And just basically go to custom shape tool, go to the shape panel and select the custom shape. There's one there, I'm just going to select that. Once you've actually done that, make certain it's a path option, just go to the top and select path, and then just drag out and actually, make certain you've actually made the background black, probably the best way, just make certain it's black. Now, drag out the path so you can see the actual contour design there. It's just a very basic ring design. And once you've done that, just go to the filter menu and render and flame. Now, the flame does actually comes up with a warning message, so it just comes up and says, well, the size is a bit too great. But you've got a whole range of different flame types you can use, candlelight, etc. I personally prefer the candlelight. And you'll notice that when you change things, it will randomise it. Well, there's a randomised shapes down there, so just make certain that's on, and then you can just, you don't have to have it on, you can set it to a particular shape if you want, very reasonable, and you can modify all various other things. Personally, drag out there, about right. Opacity, keep it fairly low, up to you of course. Once you're happy with it, click OK. Now you've got that flame, now of course you can stop there at that point, you can see sort of that matches the contour. I'm just going to deselect there the work path, so you don't actually see the path anymore. And then you go to Filter, Stylize and Oil Paint. Now there's a whole number of options. I don't go for stylisation, set that to about 10, etc. Just so you can just see there, it's in the filter menu, Stylize, Oil Paint, and just, like I say, set them to the max, and then just apply it. Apply it multiple times. You can just do it 3, 4, 5, and you can see it nicely smooths that design out. Again, you could stop at this point with that nice design. Go to the filter gallery in the filter menu, and then use the stylize section and use glowing edges, and you can set the smoothness and edge width. Now I've gone with those settings. Obviously, nice smooth one design. Go again, stylize and oil paint again. And you can run it a few times. You can see you can actually smooth it out, make a really, really nice, smooth, abstract design. Right, adjustments. Go to maybe vibrance. You can push up the colours there and saturation. So you click OK, and you can obviously apply it again if you want. Image adjustments, and you can use that vibrance or colour lookup. And what I'm going to do in this point, I'm not going to go with that one. I'm going to go with the second one. Set it to sepia, so you can set it to a lovely sepia colour. Once you click OK there, go to adjustments again, adjustments and vibrance. Push that up fairly high, so you get a lovely golden sort of flame-like design. Obviously, just the edges of. Do it again. Click OK. Right, that's the design. After a few, go through with the, then apply oil paint a few times if you want. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.